It's black shoe. Oh. Okay. Oh my god, I'm gonna stab it. Hopefully there's nothing actually important in there. Okay, good.
Miss, what if it's a bomb?
You have to do your intro.
Oh my god, hey guys, welcome back to our other video. Today we're gonna be unboxing a squirrel.
Welcome back to the Fortnite squad.
the Rambunctious Fortnite squad. Ow.
You have to do like this side.
They say
Never
never to quote
towards yourself.
I'm like, what's his name there? I'm like, toy reviews.
Ryan's
toy reviews. Oh my god.
Cut it!
Yay, more pamphlets!
Oh my god, guys! Oh my god, you won't believe what is in this box right now. We bought a box off of the black market. And you won't believe what's inside.
Oh, what's this? Actually looks cool.
Oh yeah, it actually looks nice.
Get ready to dazzle them with color,
What is that?
beauty, and body care.
Oh my god.
That's me when I win.
Please. We should organize these ones.
Oh my god, we bought it off the black market.
Yeah.
I'm actually. Oh wait, what's this book? There's this big book in the back.
Oh my god, guys.
Oh wait, this actually looks really nice.
Yeah.
Is that Lil Nas X? Oh wait.
Is that Lil Nas X?
From afar. Dude, what's inside? Signature. That's in French. Oh wait, this actually looks really pretty.
Is nice. Yeah.
Oh my god, wait. Oh my god, everyone in here is actually really pretty, except for that guy.
Wow.
Where was she? I saw someone like really so beautiful. Oh my god, her. She is so pretty.
She's girl bossing.
She's girl bossing. She's making money.
Yeah.
Good, I guess. No, like actually, she is so pretty. She is so fine. That's me when I drink water.
With the Kool-Aid.
Oh my god, my
My
legs.
knees are my legs.
Oh my god, my ankles.
Wow. University art book showcase.
Oh. Oh wait, these look cool. Oh wait, this looks cool. 10.
10.
I like me.
9. 8. 7. Why are we counting down? Just
on.
camera roll.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh, that looks
Okay.
like Among Us.
It's the
Saucy imposter.
That's the orange Among Us.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
That's actually a really nice book. It's pretty neat.
There's like a coffee book.
Ooh!
And browse it.
Yeah.
Like a regular coffee shop or whatever.
This is actually pretty neat.
Coffee table books. Yeah.
What else is in here?
And this is a private school.
Clickbait. I'm gonna clickbait this title. Okay guys, that was the end of our unboxing video. In next video, we're gonna color coordinate my poop. Among Us. Say goodbye to the camera.
Bye. This is all like.
I'm doing it on your face. Say something.
Dinky.
Please.
And that was the end of our unboxing video.